In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save stuff in Dropbox, DropboxTutorials, DropboxMobile. We're focusing on the mobile app, so grab your phone and follow along. To get started, open your Dropbox app. On the main screen, look toward the bottom and tap the plus sign. This is your all-in-one button for saving and creating content in Dropbox from your device. When you tap it, you'll see several options. If you want to upload photos, choose the photo option and select the images you want from your gallery. Confirm, and they'll begin uploading to your Dropbox. If you'd rather upload a single file, such as a document or a video, pick the Upload a File option and browse your device's files to choose what you need. You can also upload an entire folder if you've got content already organized on your phone. This keeps everything together and saves time. If you prefer to keep things tidy inside Dropbox, create a folder first. Give the folder a clear name so it's easy to find later, and then open it to upload your files into that folder directly. This little bit of organization up front makes a big difference, especially if you save frequently. You'll also see options to create a file. This is handy for starting something new right from your phone, like a note or a document that you can edit later. If you have paperwork or receipts, use the scan feature. It uses your camera to capture pages, straighten them, and save them as clean-looking files, often as PDFs, which are easy to share or store. Need to capture something on the spot? Choose Take a Photo or Video to save what you record straight into Dropbox without hunting through your camera roll later. And if you want to send a large file or a set of files to someone without giving them access to your entire folder, use Transfer a Copy. This creates a separate copy for sharing, keeping your original items safe and organized. As you upload, keep an eye on your connection for faster and more reliable saves. If the app asks for permission to access photos, files, or the camera, allow it so these features work smoothly. In most cases, uploads will continue in the background, and you'll see progress indicators as they complete. That's the essentials of saving stuff in Dropbox on mobile. It's straightforward, and with a bit of exploration, you'll be organizing and sharing like a pro. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.